Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAN79. Unfortunately, there isn't one single fix that works for everyone, so I will walk you through several proven methods step by step, and one of them should definitely solve your problem. Let's get started. First, go to your start menu and type services, then open it. Once you are in the services window, scroll all the way down until you find a service called VGC. If you want to get there quickly, click on any item and then press the V key on your keyboard. That will jump right to the V section. Now double click on VGC. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and click apply. Next, double click on it again, and under service status, make sure it's running. If it's not, click the start button and press OK to save and close. Then ensure Vanguard is actually starting correctly and with your system. Now let's reset a few network components that Valorant relies on. So open your start menu, type CMD, right click command prompt and select run as administrator. In the command window, type the following command one by one and press enter after each. Once both commands have been completed successfully, close the command prompt and you need to open your settings. Click on window update on the left sidebar and hit check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your PC if needed. Keeping window up to date can solve hidden compatibility issues that cause VAN79. So once your updates are installed, you need to go back to settings again and click network and internet. Scroll down and choose advanced network settings. Then scroll once more and click on network reset. Now press reset now. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters. Keep in mind your PC will restart automatically, so make sure to save your work before doing this. So after your PC restart, find your Valorant shortcut or application file, right click it, select properties and go to the compatibility tab. Here make sure disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator are both checked. Click apply and then OK. Now go ahead and launch Valorant again. The VAN79 error should be gone and your game should start up normally. If it still doesn't, try repeating step 1 and confirm that the VGC service stays active. And that's it. That's how you can fix this error. If this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and turn on notification. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.